On behalf of Exodus Intelligence and CARAHCAST, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around answering the White House call to action, Increase Your Cyber Defense, where Logan Brown, CEO at Exodus Intelligence, will discuss the role and importance of vulnerability intelligence and how their methodology can be used to analyze end-day and zero-day threats.
First of all, Logan Brown, one of the founders and CEO of Exodus Intelligence. A little background about us, what we do, where we come from. We were founded about 10 years ago. We were born out of a elite research group that got a global reputation for hosting hacking competitions such as Pwn to Own and disclosing, I think, the highest volume of zero day per year. We were founded back in 2012, and the five of us grew to about 40 of us researchers worldwide that concentrate on discovering, analyzing, and exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities in enterprise software and hardware.